Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I have a little bit of a different update for you. Wanted to let you know that hopefully in the next year I will be in a new garage bringing you these videos. So working with a builder right now to come up with a plan for a new house because I want more garage space. And I think what I will be using is a double long garage instead of a typical side-by-side double wide two-car garage with one garage door on the front, one on the back to drive through. The plan is to put a lift in there on the back side or the furthest inside, I don't know, towards the back. Anyway, here is the very first blueprint of the design that we are coming up with. It will change, but what I would like is your input. Those of you that have built garages and set them up, I need to know what I need to know. So in order to accomplish this, I have created a Help Me DIY Facebook page finally. So please go there, join the public group, and help me set this thing up. I'll be posting the plans there as they evolve and looking for your feedback and help. So join me in this process and be a part of it. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel to see future updates and to follow along the build process. I'm really excited about it. It's a long way off, but I need to start planning now. First thing I want to decide on is a lift. In-ground lift, two-post lift. I don't know. I'm just suddenly learning about all of this symmetrical and asymmetrical and all of the different options that I never knew existed before. But I'm not going to get a four-post lift. This is not going to be for holding vehicles or storage. This is specifically for working on vehicles. So let me know if you have something, if a friend of yours has something. All recommendations and suggestions are welcome. If you own a lift company and want to sponsor me, this lift is going to be in a lot of videos. So get in on the ground floor. All right, guys, so head over to Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, it's 2020. Like, what are you doing? Look forward to hearing from you guys. See you soon.